Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Helium, currently trading above $1.5. What are the signs of the bottom for Helium? Is Helium dumping in the bear market right now? In the last 1 year, we have seen Helium lose 95% of its value. Altcoin market has been catching the beat in the last 1 week, in the last 1 day. Is the bottom in for Helium right now, or are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town in 2023? In this video, I'll be showing you some signs why I believe the bottom is in or we're close to the bottom for Helium right now, and what's next for Helium in 2023 if we're rallying to higher prices where we might face some resistance on our way to the upside. We'll also be taking a look at Helium's performance against Bitcoin, Helium's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at Helium's market cap, currently at $225 million. We might see Helium's market cap dump to gobbling town. We'll start rallying to higher prices. Why are we going to face significant resistance at these key levels? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, Helium is still down bad in the bear market. Helium has lost more than 26% of its value in the last 1 month. In the last 1 year, Helium is down 95.5%. The good news is that we have been seeing a rally in the altcoin market and altcoins have been pumping. But the question is, will they continue pumping to higher prices? Is the bottom in right now for Helium in the bear market? We have seen Helium come to this crucial support level around the $1.6 level. If you take a look at what Helium has done in the past, before we start pumping to higher prices, we had to consolidate for quite a number of months around the $1.6 region. Helium went on a gigantic bull run in 2020 and 2021. So right now, we're giving back those gains to the market. Right now, we're doing exactly what you expect in a bear market. The bull market was a fun time. The bull market, everything was going to the moon. We saw Helium from June 2020 going from the $0.26 level. Helium rallied up to new all-time high, pumping to as high as $55.5. Going up more than 20,000% in 522 days, Helium was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run. But in the bear market, you expect the opposite of what happened in the bull run. In the bear market, you expect all coins to dump to gobbling town. And we've seen Helium go from $55.5 in November 2021. We've steadily seen it drop throughout 2022, dropping to as low as $1.5. That's taking it more than 418 days, but we're finally seeing it lose more than 97% of its value. All coins are very, very volatile. They can really pump to the upside just like we saw Helium do in the bull market, and they can easily dump to gobbling town just like we're seeing Helium do in the bear market. But the other side of the market that Helium has not gone through is the period of reaccumulation. Where Helium was launched, the bear market was already over. We're already getting ready to pump to higher prices in 2020. Right now, Helium is going through its first crypto bear market, and in 2023, I'll expect Helium to go through a period of reaccumulation. So if Helium has not bottomed out at the $1.4, $1.5 level, if Helium continues dumping to gobbling town in 2023, worst case scenario I see Helium getting to is the $0.71 region. From where Helium is currently trading right now, Helium will drop an additional 55%. But guys, I don't think we'll continue dumping to gobbling town. Yes, when we were pumping the bull market, we had some pumps along the way. Yes, when we were pumping in the bull market, we had some dumps along the way. But ultimately, we were going to higher prices. It's the same way as we're dumping to gobbling town. I believe we're going to get some pumps along the way. We're due a rally in the altcoin market. And the last time we saw Helium rally really well was before the 12th of November 2021. Helium has spent more than 418 days dumping to gobbling town without any significant rally to the upside. But in 2023, I'll be expecting to see Helium rally up to the high side. We've been seeing a lot of signs in the bottom. We've seen Helium RSI get into this lower end and stay there comfortably. That doesn't mean the bottom is in, but that's just some signs you want to be seeing at the bottom. Another sign you want to be seeing at the bottom is when a lot of market participants are so sure that we'll never see a rally. Everybody is selling their altcoins, saying that we'll never ever see alt season again because these altcoins are down bad and there's so much fear in the market that people are expecting lower prices. But I expect the opposite. I expect us to catch a bounce to the upside at some point in time in 2023. A lot of signs of the bottom are already in. We've seen Bitcoin dump more than 70% from its all-time high. We've seen all coins lose more than 90% from their all-time high. And usually in the bear market, that's what happens. But guys, let's not expect anything crazy like pumping to new all-time highs anytime soon. The signs of the bottom means we're just going to see Helium going through a period of reaccumulation. So even though we might not see it continue dumping to Goblin Town, there's always a possibility that we'll see Helium now start moving sideways and get a lot of people bored. And that's how you know people start capitulating by time. We have gone through the hard part. The hard part was dumping from $55 to below the $2 region. Now the second part will be getting ready for the next bull run deep in the bear market. If you're pessimistic right now, that's the best time you want to be buying. When you're optimistic, thinking the prices will keep going up forever, guys, that's when you want to be selling. That's when it's dangerous to be in the market. At the bottom, you see a lot of altcoins down 90%, 95%. You see a lot of fraud, a lot of people telling you this altcoin is dead, it's never going to pump again. Guys, those are what you want to be hearing when we get to the bottom, and that's what we're hearing right now, that Helium might never pump to higher prices. In 2023, we might even see Helium get above the $5 level. If we're lucky, we might even pump to as high as $12. When we are currently trading right now, that will see Helium rallying up around 600% in 2023. And that will catch a lot of people off guard. If you take a look at what Helium has done in the last 1 year, we've seen Helium go from as high as $45.06 to as low as $1.49. With a market cap of $227 million, Helium has a fully diluted market cap of $372 million. Currently, Helium has a maximum supply of 223 million coins. Out of those 223 million coins, more than 136 Helium coins are in circulation, will represent 61% of the maximum supply. Helium is ranked 106 on CoinMarketCap. 324,000 people have Helium on their watch list. Where can you buy some Helium if you want to get some in the bear market? You can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on Git.io, on OKX, on Binance.ux, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, take a look at Helium's performance against Bitcoin. We're seeing some signs of what happens to altcoins at the bottom, but that doesn't mean Helium will stop dumping against Bitcoin. After the majority of the dump has occurred, we'll have to go through a period of sideways action, and that's when a lot of people will get bored. So we might just see Helium slowly bleed against Bitcoin over the bear market. When you saw Helium pumping, that was the bull market. And the bull market, we saw Helium outperforming Bitcoin by more than 2,000% in less than a year. It doesn't happen like this every time in crypto. In crypto, majority of the time, we see altcoins going sideways or dumping to Goblin Town. But a lot of people get enticed when they see altcoins pumping to the moon. Everybody wants to get rich fast, but the only downside to getting rich fast is that you can also lose all those wealth really quickly. If you take a look at Helium's performance against Ethereum in the bear market, we're almost setting new all-time lows. That's exactly what you expect in the bear market. Guys, the hard part is over. We've done the hard part. That was dumping from the top of the bull market to the bottom right now. We're about to go through the period of reaccumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. It's not going to be an easy ride, but we're closer to the bottom right now than we are to the top, because if Helium is even going to set new all-time lows against Ethereum from where we're currently trading, Helium will just dump another 21%. And we've seen it had a very terrible 2022. With 2023, be optimistic. These are key levels you should watch out for Helium's market cap if the bottom is in, as we're seeing a lot of huge indicators telling us that you want to be accumulating some altcoins right now. Altcoins have been down really bad, but they can't keep dumping to Goblin Town. At some point in time, we're going to catch a relief in the market, and at some point in time, we might see Helium rally up to higher prices. Now, will Helium go above the $500 million region? Before we get there, we have to see Helium face this heavy resistance at the $350 million region. We have another resistance at the $720 million region. And if we're lucky in 2023, Helium might even pump above $1 billion, getting to as high as $1.5 billion. But the million-dollar question is, will you participate in that pump? Are you buying some Helium right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. How low do you think Helium can go in the bear market? Is the bottom in? If we pump to the high side, how high can Helium go before the end of 2023? Are you buying some Helium right now deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.